Your attic is probably the reason your kids are always sneezing. Everybody thinks that it's just allergy season, that it's just coming in through the windows and it's just the open air, but it's really coming from your attic. Just shutting your windows doesn't keep the outside air out. A lot of your outside air comes from your attic down into your home, and it brings allergens, it brings dust, and it can make you sneeze. With air sealing, we can eliminate that. And that's where we go through and we dig through your insulation and we take a fire block foam and we foam all your top plates, all your penetration points, all your plumbing penetrations, your electrical penetrations, your light fixtures, all those things to keep the dirty attic air and outside air from coming down into your home. If you're tired of your kids sneezing all day or allergies or itchy eyes, give us a call today.